Hey guys, wasn't that cool? Could tell I didn't do that. Yeah, thank you Amanda for doing the editing for that for me. That's how probably my videos should be done, but I can't do it that good. Right, so just to show up my knife here again, that's the micarta handles I put on it. It is a full tang knife. So a big thank you to Dave Tillings for Welsh Custom Knives. I'll put all the links up for making me this knife. I was inspired by the tracker knife, Tom Brown tracker knife. So I like a big belly on a knife, and then I want a little bit here for the close stuff. Now, the spine is 6mm thick. The width of the blade here is 4.9 centimeters, if you wanted to know that. The total length of the blade, the cutting edge here, is 14.2 centimeters. And the total length is 30.6. So it's just a really comfortable knife to work with. I got a finger choil in there, so I can do the close stuff. No jimping. I'm not a big fan of jimping. But I just want to show you some of my knife ideas that I'm trying to put together, and then have maybe different knife makers make them for me. But yeah, it's a good chopper. I mean, it's nice weight in the front of it, good hefty size, thick handle, and you really got a good whack on it, and then that was fine. So just want to share with you guys. This is one of my it's my second custom knife, second one from Dave. So I'm going to see who else can make knives, and maybe just have like a collective people make some knives for me and see what happens. It might be a good video, never know. But thanks everybody for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I have some more videos coming up. I have a second bug out bag dump coming up. That's another good one. What else I have coming up? And some more product reviews coming up. So yeah, interesting stuff coming up. Stay tuned.